everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Let's do this reading. Termite mounds. Termite mounds. Termite word I have understood. They are talking about termites kind of thing. So mounds, if you don't understand the meaning of this mounds, then you can read it little bit more. Could the vast towers of mud. Yeah. Could the vast towers of mud. Now don't read anything here. Let's see the types of questions we have been given here. So first here, list of heading. Yes. Uh, Before going to next question, please subscribe and like this channel. Okay. So first is list of heading. I will be telling you each and every step how you can get full marks in this reading. Okay. So second type of question we have yes, no, not given, and another we have label the diagram with one word only. Okay, so first I will start my reading with list of headings, because with the help of list of heading we will go through all the paragraphs in the passage, and when we will be reading the passage paragraphs for finding these headings, definitely we will keep in mind something that if you can read it within let's do this list of heading first. So IELTS reading tips and tricks for list of heading. So there are two ways you can do this list of heading. First, you can go through all the headings and come out with, of course, you will understand the meaning of these headings and come out with one or two keywords in each heading. Okay. So methods used to investigate termite mound formation. Okay, challenging our assumptions. Second method I will tell you, challenging our assumptions about the nature of life. So some challenge kind of thing. Earlier some other assumptions were there, and now somebody is doing another assumptions about the nature of life. Reconsidering the termites reputation. So reconsidering reopinion. Principal functions of the termite mounds. Principal functions, main functions of these termite mounds. Distribution of termite mounds in, okay, distribution in sub-Saharan Africa. So this word we have already read it. Some potential benefits, some futuristic benefits of or applicable or applications of understanding termite architecture. Okay, the astonishing physical dimensions of the termite mine. Physical dimensions, like physical how many poles, how many rooms, and these kinds of physical dimensions of termite mound. The termite mounds under threat, okay, from global climate change. Okay, a mutually benefit relationship. Okay, mutually beneficial relationship. Now I have understood. Another method is, don't read all the options. First you go through the full paragraph, okay, and then make your own heading for each paragraph and then try to match with these headings. Okay, so but I am using this method. Now I have understood each and every headings. We will be reading one by one paragraph, because here we need to give heading for each paragraph. Passage 3 has 7 paragraphs A to G. Choose the correct heading for each paragraph from the list of headings below. Write the correct number. So this means correct numbers. In this style only you need to write answers. You can't write 1, 2, 3, 4 answers. No. Same style you need to write in front of these answers. Okay. So let's do it. Don't forget to do practice with me. So I am showing you a paragraph, and after reading this paragraph within 30-40 seconds, we will be matching. We will try to match with any option. Okay. To most of us, okay, termites are destructive insects. To most of us means for everyone, we always think that termites are destructive insects which can cause damage on devastating scale. But according to Rupert Soar of this person, engineering, so they have given about this person's where he had taken his education and all. These pests may serve a useful purpose for us after all. His multidisciplinary team of British and American engineers biologists have set to investigate giant mounds built by termites in Namibia, in sub-Saharan Africa as part of the most extensive study of these structures ever taken. Okay, now sub-Saharan Africa word is also there. Distribution of termite mounds in sub-Saharan Africa. This really matching? So we will try to match first, then we will just eliminate the things. Mm, Mounds built by termites in Namibia. So here they are saying distribution of termite mounds in sub-Saharan Africa. Only Namibia country they have given. So I don't think so it is matching with. So I will cut it. Distribution of termite mounds. Some distribution should be there. So this thing is missing in this paragraph, so we will not match it. And of course in first line they were saying, to us we were thinking that this is destructive, but this person, this Dr. Rupert Soar, he is saying something different opinion. That's why some okay, let's read it. Methods to used to investigate termite formation. Termite mound formation is they are not talking. Challenging our assumption about the nature of life. Nature of life is also not there. Reconsidering termites reputation. This we can select because earlier we were thinking something different, and this person has given some different point of view for these termite mounds. So we can select third number with a number paragraph. Principal functions of termite mounds, it is not described over here. Some potential benefits of understanding termite architecture. Some benefits, no. Structure benefits is also astonishing. Physical dimensions of the termite mound. Termite mounds under threat. No, nothing is given relating to that only. A paragraph is done. Now let's move to B number paragraph. Termite mounds are impressive for their size alone. Typically, they are 3 meters high. So now 3 meters high. Some as tall as 8 meters by fine. So if you ask me, they are talking about dimensions: meters high and 8 meters by found. Tall, impressive for size they have given. Let's read little bit more. They also reach far into the earth, where the insects mine their building materials, carefully selecting each grain of sand they use. Termite nest is contained in the central cavity of the mound, safely protected from harsh environment outside. The mound itself is formed intricate lattice of tunnel which split into smaller and smaller tunnels like person's blood vessels. Okay, so if you ask me, they are talking about dimensions of the mounds. So let's read it. Little one by one we will just find methods used to investigate. No methods they are talking used to investigate termite mound foundation. No. Challenging our assumption, nature of life is not there. Reconsidering, that we have selected. Principal function of, no. Distribution of this, some potential benefit. Astonishing physical dimensions of termite mound, we can select this one. Okay, now C number paragraph. Here this is C number paragraph. Let's read it. This complex system of tunnels draw tunnels. Okay, we can underline the things. Tunnels draw in air from outside, capturing wind energy to drive it through the mounds. It also serves to expel spent respiratory gases from the nest. So inner side they are talking what kind of machinery is there. So ensuring them a continuous provision of fresh breathable air. So detailed is the design that the nest stays within 3 degrees of a constant temperature despite variations on the outside 50 degree. From blistering heat in the daytime to below freezing on the coldest night. The mound also automatically regulates moisture in the air. So some machinery kind of thing they are talking. Some colonies even had chimneys at a height of 20 meters to control moisture less in the hottest region of sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, so I think they are talking about some system, about this system. Methods used to investigate termite mound formation. No, nothing is related to that. Challenging our assumptions about the nature of life. So no nature of life kind of thing was there. Reconsidering this, we have done principal functions of the termite mound. I think they are talking about systems function, how the system works, capturing wind energy to drive it through the mounts, draw in air from outside. It also serves to expel spent respiratory gases from the nest to prevent termites from suffocating. Ah, yes, this is principal functions of the termite mound they are talking. So we can just mark it here, fourth number. And another also you can read some potential benefits. No benefits is there. Astonishing physical dimensions we have done. Termite mounds under threat from global climate change. Global, no, but threat kind of thing is not there. A mutual benefit relationship is also not there. So D number paragraph. So D number paragraph, furthermore, termites have evolved in such a way as outsource some of their biological functions, okay? Biological parent related hereditary function kind of thing you can say. Blood relation, it's like that. Part of their digestive process in camera out by only by fungus which they farm inside the mound. This fungus, which is found nowhere else on earth, thrives in the constant and optimum environment of the mound. The termites feed the fungus with slightly chewed wood pulp, which the fungus then breaks down into digestible sugary food to provide insects with energy and cellulose, which they use for building. And although the termites must generate waste, none ever leaves the structure, indicating that there is also some kind of internal waste recycling system. So whatever they are excreting, so they are eating it themselves. I think fungus also they are talking. So internal waste recycling system is there. So let's find it what they want to say about this paragraph. Methods used to investigate termite mound formation, it is not described like that. Nature of life is given. No, nature of life, I don't think so. Here it is given. These two we have done. Distribution, this no. Some potential benefits of understanding, this is also not. Dimension we have done. Termite mounts under threat, only this much is left. It means mutually beneficial relationship. Biological function also they have given. Internal waste recycling system also they have explained. So I will go with that because nothing is matching with D number paragraph. Now E number paragraph, let's read it. Scientists are so excited by the mounds. Just a minute. See this E number paragraph. Scientists are so excited by the mounds that they have labeled from them a superorganism, because in source word they dance on the edge of what we would perceive to cool down, or if we are too cold, you need to thrive. That's called homeostasis. What the termites have done is to move this function away from their body into structure in which they live. As more information comes to light about unique features of termite mounds, we may ultimately need to redefine our understanding of what constitutes a living organism. So living organism, so we can match only, just look at this, what we have left now. Methods used to investigate, where the method they are talking. First number is doing, there is no method. Challenging our assumptions about the nature of life. We may ultimately need to refine. So this need to redefine our understanding what constitutes a living organism. Life is also there. Challenging our assumptions because nothing is matching with that. See this. I have read so many times these headings, so now I remember every heading. Principal function, reconsidering termite repetition, these we have done. Distribution of termite mound, this will not come. Some potential benefits. Astonishing physical dimensions also will not come. Termite under threat, so nothing is matching, only this we can match it, because here in last line it is given, as more information comes to light about this feature, we may ultimately need to redefine our challenging our assumptions about the nature of life. This also gone. For E number, second number we can select. Now F number paragraph, you can see, to reveal the structure of mounds, so team begins by filling and covering their plaster of Paris, a chalky white paste based on the mineral gypsum, which becomes rock solid when dry. The researchers hand carves the plaster of Paris into half millimeter thick, photograph them sequentially. Once the pictures are digitally scanned, computer technology is also able to recreate complex three-dimension. These models have enabled the team to map termite architecture at a level of detail never being before attained. Okay. To reveal the structure of the mounds, SWOT team begins by filling and covering there. So now I think they are talking methods used to investigate termite mound formation. So they have used plaster of Paris, chalky white paste based on mineral gypsum, which becomes rock solid when dry. These models have enabled the team to map termite architecture at a level of detail never being before attained. So this will come with first number. F number means this also done. Now how many we have left? This one, okay, 1 2 3. Now this also we have done. 6 number and 8 number is left, because this of course will not come with anyone. So sub-Saharan Africa, this word they have used it so many times, 2-3 times, so nothing is matching with this heading. Okay, so only 6 and 8 is left. Yes, G number. So hopes that the models will explain will explain how termite mounds create a self-regulating living environment which manages to respond to changing internal and external conditions without drawing on an outside source of power. Without drawing, if they do, the findings could be invaluable in informing future. So okay, let's read last line also. It is hoped, says so, that the findings will provide clues that aid the ultimate development of new kinds of human habitats suitable for a variety of arid, hostile environments not only on the earth but maybe one day on the moon and beyond. So it is all about future kind of thing. This 6th one was some potential benefits of understanding termite architecture. So this we can match it with, because this 8th one is also left termite mounds under threat from global climate change. So nothing is described in here in this paragraph. So I can select this 6th number because of some potential benefits of understanding. So here it is, you can read it, which manages to respond internal and external. If they do, findings could be invaluable in the forming. Okay, last line is saying, as we approach a world of climate change, we need temperatures to rise. He explained there will not be enough fuel to drive the air. Now last line he is saying, findings will provide clues that aid the ultimate development of new these kinds. So some potential benefits of understanding termites. So this headings we have done. So this is label the diagram. So this kind of diagram they have given. Innermost chamber containing termites nest. So nest word I know, in second or third paragraph they were talking about this. So these are the thing 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. Okay. So some diagrams in IELTS reading not understandable, I'm telling you. Only this word I have got, nest. And yes, rest of the clue word or keyword we can get it from here, just like cellar, aid control, network of, helps to termite a constant regular supply and to maintain a temperature range also. Okay, with the help of these keywords we can easily go to location. So next word I know they were talking in. So see, this nest word is here. Termite's nest is contained in the central cavity of the mound, safely protected from harsh environment outside. The mound itself is formed of an lattice of tunnel which split into smaller and smaller like a person's. So these are, I think they are talking about blood vessels like. Okay, network of dash helps to give termites a constant. So reading tips and tricks for fill in the blanks. The words before and after the blank is always helpful in finding correct answer. So network of dash. So before that nothing is given, only they have given an innermost chamber containing termites nest. So next word is here, but Are they really talking about this network of dash helps to give termite a constant supply? Supply is what? Split into smaller and smaller. So system network, this complex system of tunnels draws in air from outside, capturing wind energy to drive it through. Okay, network of, we can write here tunnels, because I have not found anything relating to of. The mound itself is formed of an intricate. So this is also not matching. Tunnels help to give termites a constant supply. So what they are supplying? So in these words, sentences, no supply kind of thing. So here, complex system of, now paraphrasing is network of, complex system of tunnels draw in air helps to give termite a constant, air is constant from outside. So here we can write here constant air supply. Okay, and to maintain a limited temperature also I am looking, wind energy to drive it through the mound. It also serves to expel spent respiratory gases from the nest to prevent. Okay, now I am looking for temperature word, temperature range, and to maintain a limited temperature. So paragraph is done. Next page. See this, if you are looking for same word, constant means continuous. So helps to give that, from there also you can draw answer, but here also I can tell you continuous provision of fresh breathable air. So air we have given, continuous means constant, this supply, and to maintain a limited range. So temperature, 3 degrees of a constant temperature word is also there. So it means we were right. And to maintain a limited temperature range, nest stay within 3 degrees of a constant temperature means limited range of temperature. So cellar to aid control, cellar is here. See this, cellar is here. And what is to aid control of, what they are controlling? Let's read it from here. The mound also automatically regulates moisture in the, it automatically regulates, regulate means to control of, to aid control of moisture. Okay, so because same word is in the same sentence structure, from here to here you can read it. Okay, the mound also automatically regulates moisture in the air by means of best its underground cellar. So here how they have paraphrased, first they have talked about cellar to aid control of moisture. Levels in mounds, top of the mounds permit. Okay, now levels in mound, top of the mounds permit, what they are permitting now, top of the mound. Okay, same sentence structure. After cellar it is not full stop, it is comma, and word they have given, and evaporation from the top of the mound. Levels in mound, top word is also there, top is also there, mound is also there, it means evaporation will come. Okay, same spelling should be there, there should not be any mistake.